Got my passport today. Yes. What's today? 23rd? No, 22?
22.
Yeah, 22 of May. And it is Tuesday. Yep, I got my passport. I'm gonna open it. Got my passport! My US passport. My first ever. First ever US passport. Yeah.
It's a lot of years.
Yes. Oh my god! Ah! Oh my gosh. I'm excited. Oh my god, honey. I got green passport now.
Nice.
Ooh. Oh no, I don't have glasses here. Oh my goodness.
You have to sign it someplace too, don't you?
I do? Oh. First. There it is. Oh my gosh. I'm excited, honey. Oh, right here. I have to sign right here. Oh, we the people. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I don't have to worry about it because she has her own. My passport. Yeah. Here it is. I can't believe it. It took us how many years, hon? 7, 8 years? It took us 7 years. It took me 7 years to get this. Wow. I can finally travel to wherever I want to travel now. Except few places maybe, huh? Few countries.
Yeah, there's a few countries. North Korea, probably off the limits.
Wow.
Iran.
Hi guys, Sophia's having her first Starbucks drink today. It is vanilla bean with, I think it's a strawberry. I can't remember for sure what she said. But look at her. She's tired but she's still drinking. Sophia, how do you like your first Starbucks? Oh yeah? No comment. We just got out of Target and now we're heading home. It's too hot. What's the temperature?
90.
90. Did you have some? Also, I'm having our Starbucks. Nick and we're just sharing this one. Triple chocolate mocha frappuccino. And we have, I think we still have $6 on that gift card.
Nice.
One more drink. We are back here at the Jesse Ray's barbecue. Came here 3 days ago or something, and they were all sold out. So we're back here. Hopefully they're not sold out. Can you see any sign? No, I didn't see. Okay. Sophie, hi. She's ordering food now. Their menu is on the wall, so this side is like barbecue. And here's the so the menu is on that wall right there. There's a wall where people are standing up. It's kind of cool. Really close to this strip. You guys can see the strip from the windows. Got the Luxor there, Delano, and Mandalay Bay.
Are you gonna do it first?
No, you first.
I think you're gonna back out.
Just a little bit. This one has pepper. Try it.
So did you really?
Just, yeah, tiny little. How is it?
Maybe I put too little on there.
Huh?
I think I put too little on there. I can't taste it yet.
Oh, try it again. There. Maybe they miss it. Something else. It's not spicy.
Yeah, after a while, you can kind of like feel a little bit of a heat in your mouth or something, but
I feel like the other one is more spicy. Oh, yeah, there is it. There it is. You just gotta put more in though.
cheap.
Yeah.
It's really out of the way, kind of a crappy little place. The food's good.
What do you think about your barbecue? First experience there.
I expected it to be better.
So it wasn't.
I thought it was good, but it didn't seem like it was any better than like Famous Dave's or something like that.
I know. I was expecting it to be like really, really, really good.
Yeah.
Or it to be sold out all the time.
Yeah, and it was frustrating that they were sold out of the one thing I wanted.
Yeah, which is
2 times in a row.
ribs.
Yeah. And I feel like I had some kind of problem communicating with the lady there too, because like the way she says things, it just didn't make any sense.
We're back in the car. We got outfit change, Sophia too. We are going to Chinatown to get like some feng shui things. What is it called? Piao. And just that.
That's it.
Okay. And then we're gonna go to the #1 boba store there too. It's been a while since we had boba from the Chinatown mall. They have really good boba there.
How do we get in here though?
Oh, okay. So here is the Chinatown mall right here. Mr. Uber driver, how much? So that's the mall right there, Chinatown mall. Free? Wow, what a nice Uber driver you are. Mama? I think she can accept. Oh, she can. Ooh.